Let me show you 3 ways on how you can cook your chicken breast. First off, we're going to cut our chicken to our desired shape according to the recipe. Secondly, we're going to marinate our chicken. So for the first recipe, I'll just marinate the chicken in salt and garlic and some oil. I'll mix that thoroughly and then I'll move on to the next one where I'll add paprika, salt, garlic and some oil, and then I'll mix that as well. And for the third one, I'll mix paprika, salt, garlic and some oil, and I'll mix that thoroughly as well. For my first recipe, I'll be making butter chicken. I'll have my pan ready and I'll add some oil to it. When the oil is hot enough, I'll add my chicken cubes, which I had already marinated, and some butter. We don't want the chicken cubes to be dry, so I'm going to take them out once they start browning just a little bit. I will set that aside and I'm going to proceed to the next level. For this next stage, I am now going to prepare my soup for the butter chicken. I'm going to start with frying my onions and then I'll add some butter to it in the process and then add my tomatoes. To bring the curry to life, I'm going to add masala curry as well as the mild raja curry. I am then going to add some water and cover it up and allow it to simmer. Once my tomatoes are soft, I'm then going to transfer everything to a bowl. And then we're going to blend it to make sure that our tomatoes are smooth. Don't give up just yet. We want this to be restaurant worthy, if you get what I'm saying. So we're going to drain this and sieve it, not drain it. We're going to sieve it to make sure that our soup is smooth and velvety. Since we're making butter chicken, I'm then going to add my cream and then my cubes and allow it to simmer. There we have it. That is the first recipe. For the remaining 2, they are very simple and less complicated. So here I'm just making chicken for my wrap. If you're a fan of wraps, then I recommend you try this chicken wrap recipe. Just make sure your chicken is not too dry. So I have my lettuce ready and now I'm going to start assembling my wrap. Once all my ingredients are ready, I'm going to start assembling, and I'll start with my chicken and then some lettuce, tomatoes, onions and some cheese. Because the stomach does not judge how I fold this, I have to fold it anyhow I know best. And then I'm going to put it in a pan and make sure that all my sides are brown and ready. I know you want it. And then for my final recipe, I'm just going to make chicken nuggets. So I used 1 egg, breadcrumbs and some bread flour, which I added some paprika, salt and some parsley. This is for the little ones who love chicken nuggets. Thanks for watching.